Hi guys, hi. My name is Yelena. Welcome back to my channel. Today let's do sugar cookies and we're gonna do camo pattern on top. So here's my royal icing. I already pre-colored. This is flooding consistency. So here's different colors. And let's start. So I'm gonna start with thick icing first. I'm gonna use black and outline the cookie. So that way make sure my other icing when I start flat don't escape. That just will make it feel better for me. But if you feel confident, go ahead. You don't need to do this, but I just feel I do. All right, so let's go ahead, outline it. Just like that. Then let's start to fill in. So I'm gonna use all the colors. I have very light off-white color. So I'm gonna start with that first and just gonna ahead and pipe just random patterns as place them how you feel. There should be no particular place, just whenever. Then I'm gonna do this darker ivory or tan color, I guess you can call it. And again, just put random patterns. My icing, just make sure you have the consistency is the same. That way they will blend into each other when you're done. So you can thin it all together and then just divide your icing in different bowls and color. That way they're all the same. All right, then I'm gonna do brown. Again, just random spots and just how you like it. And the last one I'm gonna use is dark green. So just fill in the rest. All right. Just like that. See, it looks like camo. And for the other cookie, I'm gonna start with different color icing first and just do different order. That way they're not gonna look all the same, they will be all different. All right, so in the same way, I'm just gonna continue for all my cookies. All right, then this is what it looks like. So we had icing all the same consistency, so see it's nice and smooth and they all blended into each other. So let them dry. And here's all the dry cookie and I need to put number on top. So I'm gonna use this stencil that I found in the house and I'm gonna use black icing. I don't really like this stencil, so I'm just gonna modify it a little bit. So I'm just gonna put thick royal icing in a stencil and I'm going to spread it out with my spatula. Kind of gives me an outline. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little bit to it, thicken it out so it show up better on top of the cookie. Like that. So I feel like this looks a little better. And the cookie goes, of course, for the boy. so it looks a little more manly. All right, and I'll just fill this flooding consistency the middle of the cookie. All right, so here's all they finished. What you guys think? I'm kind of happy how they turned out. Nice camo going and the number showing up, still shiny, so still needs to dry. So I'm gonna let it dry overnight, and tomorrow I can wrap it in individual plastic baggies and they're ready to go. All right, so if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and we'll see you next time. Bye, love you so much.